In this video, I'll show you how to post anonymously in a Facebook group so your name doesn't appear on the post. First, open the Facebook app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Tap the three horizontal lines icon in the corner of the screen to open the menu. From the menu, tap Groups, then go to your groups and select the group where you want to post anonymously. Once the group page opens, tap the Write Something or Create Post option just like you normally would when making a post. On the post screen, look for the option called Post Anonymously and tap on it. Facebook may show a short message explaining how anonymous posts work. Confirm the option and continue. After that, type your post or add any photos if needed. When you're ready, tap Post to submit it. Your post will appear in the group without showing your name to other members, but the group admins and moderators may still be able to see who posted it. Keep in mind that this feature is only available in groups where admins allow anonymous posts. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple and helpful tutorials.